Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to give you a straight up, honest review of a product I came across recently called Course Creation Warrior. If you ever thought about launching your own online course but felt stuck or overwhelmed, this might be something worth looking into. Let's break it down. What is it, what it does, and whether it's actually worth your time and money. Okay, so start with what is Course Creation Warrior? It's a combination of software and training designed to help you build and launch an online course even if you have never done it before. It's mainly built for coaches, consultants, and people who are selling or planning to sell digital products online. Why this tool exists? Now, here's the thing, creating a course sounds great on paper, but it's usually a huge task. You have to plan your content, record videos, organize it properly, and design your sales page by yourself. And the most critical part, you have to figure out how to sell it. And if you are doing this solo, it's easy to get stuck. That's the core concept. Course Creation Warrior try to simplify that by giving you AI tools to structure your course and create a sales pages, build funnels, and it even includes training to how to set up affiliate marketing so other can promote your course for you. There are multiple key features, but these three key features is worth to discuss where I pick it for you. You can add your own payment links and create a members area, and the AI generated sales page is a helpful starting point, especially if you're not a copywriter. And the affiliate angle is nice. It's not a magic solution, but it gives you a way to promote your course without running ads. That said, it's not 100% plug and play. You still need to know what you want to teach, and you have to spend time on setup. Let's talk pros and cons, because no tool is perfect and this one has a few things to be aware of. In pros side, I am considering it's good for beginner who want to guided system to start from the scratch, and it covers the entire business like both creating a course and marketing it and help you to sell it by the systematic way. That's the added advantage, so I'm considering that as a pro. And the third one, it comes with 30 days refund policy, so you are not locked in. You are, their promises you're going to sell the course within 14 days. So if you think it's not worth, you still have 16 days to take a decision. And in cons side, there is no live support or doubt clearing session. I didn't see it was mentioned in any other area. I couldn't find a demo video, which wouldn't be helpful for me. If I have, I can show it to you. And there is no mention of lifetime access, so it's unclear how long you keep the platform access. So it's functional, but it's not super polished in terms of community or support. Pricing and what you get. Here's the pricing breakdown. The main software front end is cost you $27, and access to launch community around, depending on the version, which cost you in the typical range of $98 to $197, and done for you kids and add-ons range from $67 to $97. And here is the pricing chart. Take a look. The core tool is affordable, but if you go for the full bundle, it does start to add up. I'll say start small, see if it clicks, then consider the upgrades. User feedbacks and my ratings. I checked out what other users are saying, and most reviews are generally positive, especially from the people who've been sitting on a course idea for a while. The affiliate marketing is getting the most praise. People like that they don't need to spend on ads. And my personal rating for the software, I'm giving 4 out of 5, and value for beginners, I'm giving 4.2 out of 5, and done for you stuff, I'm giving 4 out of 5, and overall solid 4.2, but not mind blowing. Final verdict. So here is my take. Buy it if you want a simplified guided path to launch a course. You're okay with done for you setup. You're looking for a low cost way to test the waters. And skip it if you are expecting a full blown coaching program or live support. You already have advanced course building tools. Overall, it's a decent product, especially for someone testing the idea of selling digital knowledge or coaching. And with the refund policy, there is not a really much risk involving in this particular coaches. That's it from me. Hope this helps you make an informed decision. If you tried course creation warrior, let me know in your experience in the comment. And if you like honest, no hype reviews like this, consider subscribing. I'll catch you in the next one.